Hello everyone, I am SK Tiwari and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well and be safe. And today I am going to morning walk and I daily going to morning walk and I daily say to all of you always going to morning walk and morning walk is good for our health. And today I am going to running with my uncle and I daily going to running and I daily say to all of you running is good for our body safe and fitness and I doing many exercise with my friend and I say to all of you exercise is good for our body safe and today I am talking about traveling with nature and I am going to a long drive with my friends and I make a video. Let's go on my video traveling with nature and thank you for watching my video. Thank you.